Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the Niagara Magic Show. So in this video I'm going to show you a kick-ass GPT I've created. You see, everybody can go to ChatGPT and have it create SQL for you. However, what I'm going to show you in this video is not something everybody can do. So let me give it some instructions. Create a select, no, you know what, select top 5 items from log entries. Sort by created, descending. Now, you can write this into ChatGPT and it's probably going to come up with the same result as this one does, but the difference is here, execute it. You see, I've created an HTTP endpoint that actually takes SQL as its sole input. It's authenticated. It requires authentication and authorization. And for the record, I'm not going to publicly share this GPT, and I'm going to delete it after I'm done with this YouTube video before I upload it. Because I mean, effectively, the HTTP endpoint is an SQL injection hole, right? So I mean, I cannot allow anybody but myself to actually be able to access this thing, right? But the point is, I now have the capacity to write natural language to ChatGPT, have ChatGPT transpile my natural language into a SQL statement, execute that SQL statement, and have the result returned. Right, so now if I go back to my cloudlet here you can see SQL Studio. Let's see our machine learning model. Let's see, okay, we have some interesting info here, I guess, so we can ask it to select all machine learning, show me all machine learning, what's the name of the thing? Let's see. ML training snippets, show me all ML training snippets. Grouped by type, sorted ascending. Count records in table, grouped by type, column, and sorted ascending by count. So now what I basically want, I wanted to do a count of how many training snippets each of the machine learning types in my SQL database actually have, and have it sorted ascendingly. So let's see if it can correctly execute it and return the result. I think this is just like so kick-ass, you cannot even imagine it. Of course, I'm a geek, so we like weird things. So let's see what it comes up with. So HL's got 27 snippet. I happen to know that's correct. iNiro has 199 and iNiro_io has 211. And these are the correct figures. Now, of course, at this point, I could move on and have it like generate graphs and charts and whatever for me. However, to not make this YouTube video extremely long, I'm going to stop the video here. Then I'm going to delete this GPT to make sure nobody accidentally are able to execute random SQL towards my cloudlet. However, for the record, it does require authentication and authorization, and you must be authenticated and belonging to the root or admin role, which you can only do here by clicking team and clicking generate token. So anyways, there's going to be a link in the description of this YouTube video to where you can have a look at my GPT, and you can actually copy it if you want to. You're obviously going to need a cloudlet or some SQL endpoint accepting SQL. However, here is basically the instruction. I spent 5 minutes on the instruction. You can probably create a better one yourself if you spend 15 minutes. But basically, I have a GPT that not only allows me to actually create SQL, but also execute SQL. And of course, the way I did that was that I added an action that was pointing towards my HTTP endpoint, which you can see the code for here. So basically, I have an action that points towards the endpoint. My endpoint takes one single argument, being type SQL, which it actually executes here, and then it returns the result back to caller. Anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.